Introducing the INKOMISHI, the cup, by Dean Durand. Let's have a look at some of the features of the INKOMISHI. The solar panel harnesses the sun's energy to make this concept 100% off the electrical grid. The electrical energy is captured and sent down to the control box. This is situated at the base of the structure for easy access for maintenance purposes. This houses the batteries that supply the energy required for the functionality of the INKOMISHI. Directly below the solar panel is the weather sensor and antenna. This is a vital piece of equipment. The weather sensor will anticipate the incoming rainfall and trigger the INKOMISHI into action. It will also measure the wind speed to determine if it is safe for deployment, as high wind speeds could damage the structure. The antenna will allow remote access to the INKOMISHI if the sensor fails to trigger. It will also allow data to be transmitted for analysis and maintenance. The catchment web is what catches and funnels the rainwater. It will be made of a durable canvas held together by aluminium shafts connected to a hydraulic system to open and close the catchment web. Notice that there are gaps between the webs. These gaps are important as they provide some space for wind to pass through the structure. The gaps also ensure that some rain will still hit the ground beneath the structure for the flora and fauna at the base of the structure. The central column is the major artery where the cables will run. The hydraulic arms for the catchment web will be mounted to this. The captured rainwater will also be channeled into this area for a short period of time before being diverted. The housing will provide protection for the catchment web, both from the direct sunlight but also from theft and vandalism. The water feeder pipes come directly from the central column and feed to the nearby water holding tanks or reservoirs depending on the scale of installation. The feeder pipe can exit the central column anywhere along the column or even out under the base of the structure in underground piping. The water tanks are to be located as close to the INKOMISHI as possible. Depending on the scale of installation, the construction of a reservoir to serve the people of the community is a great potential possibility. It is also the intention of this concept to ensure that all rainwater is directed by gravity and therefore there is no requirement for pumping. Let's have a look at the INKOMISHI in action. Here we see a suitable site for this installation. The weather system allows it for opening and into water catchment mode as the rain falls. The water funnels through into the tanks, and once the rain subsides, goes into shutdown mode and closes down out of the harsh natural elements and waits for another rainy day. Thank you.